The Hobart Power Coil is a 400 Hz solid-state GPU and cable reel in one single unit, designed for space-saving installation under the passenger boarding bridge. This discrete all-in-one unit helps maintain the attractive visual appearance of modern glass passenger boarding bridges. The single housing contains a 90 kVA solid-state frequency converter, as well as a cable drum with up to 26 meters of cable. The drum smoothly and automatically rolls the power cable in and out, avoiding glitches and delays. The integrated two-in-one design of the power coil system means you don't have to deal with a wide range of different components and interconnecting cables, all with their own special quirks and requiring separate on-site testing and approval. The Hobart Power Coil saves space and weighs up to 40% less than most traditional GPU and coil solutions. This makes it ideal for installing on both new and existing boarding bridges, and ideal for providing power for both narrow-body and wide-body aircraft of all sizes, right up to a 4-unit installation for Airbus A380s.